share something about your web series. Okay, that's an interesting question. That's from Rohit Raikwad. Okay, well, I'm not allowed to say much except that I have loved Rajan DK's work for a while, and I actually really enjoyed seeing Family Man, and I recently saw season 2 and I totally loved it. And well, I'm not allowed to say much except that it's very different from anything that I've done, and it's going to be very exciting. And I don't know what genre I can call it. I think it's a quirky crime drama is the best that I can say, and I can't really tell you much about what I'm playing in it except that something very different from what I've done till now. And I'm very nervous about making a digital debut because I really feel that actors who might have been liked and loved on the big screen might or might not be appreciated on a digital platform, because I think that's a very different platform. It's a long form format where you tell stories over a period of time, and you can't just be okay if people like you for a couple of hours. They need to be interested in your character, they need to connect with you, and you need to be able to hold their attention for 9-10 episodes, which is 4.5-5 hours of footage. So it's a very different thing, and I don't really think that I'm, experienced in that space. So it would be very interesting to see how people react to me on that platform. But I kind of always wanted to do a long form format because I felt there's a lot you can do with a character. Sometimes you feel you don't have enough time as an actor to depict all the different facets of a character that you felt. And many a times, most of the times when I finished my movies, whether it was Heather or whether it was Kabir Singh, I always used to feel like I hope I've been able to bring out every aspect of this character. And I've always wondered whether I have. So when you have more time to spend with the character, it allows you to, share more of him with the audience. So it'll be very interesting to see how people respond to that and whether they like me in that space, and whether I'm able to do something different as opposed to just what I do in a movie in that platform. Okay, see what else.
गाइस, मेरा न्यू ब्लॉग आ चुका है और इस तो ये ब्लॉग में हम लोगों ने बहुत ज़्यादा तो जाइए और स्वाइप अप कीजिए और कमेंट में अपना बहुत सारा प्यार दिखाइए।
और भैया इनका अच्छे से वीडियो लेना। चलो 3, 2, 1 स्टार्ट। क्या हुआ?
फिल्टर हट गया था।
दोस्तों, क्या आप जानते हो वरुण धवन ने अपनी फिल्म में दानी जान से इंस्पायर होकर एक किरदार निभाया था। दोस्तों, 2020 में आई फिल्म स्ट्रीट डांसर 3D में दानी जान से इंस्पायर होकर वरुण धवन ने शहेज का किरदार निभाया था। दोस्तों, कुछ दिनों पहले वरुण धवन ने अपने इंस्टाग्राम अकाउंट पर दानी जैन के साथ कुछ फोटोज अपलोड किए थे। ये फोटोज देखकर आप समझ सकते हो कि वरुण धवन दानी जैन से कितना इंस्पायर थे। और दोस्तों, उन्होंने कैप्शन में ये लिखा था, स्ट्रीट डांसर मूवी में शाहिद लुक के लिए दानी जैन एक इंस्पिरेशन है। और दोस्तों, आखिर में लिखा था, लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट दानिश। दोस्तों, इतने बड़े सेलिब्रिटी ने दानी जैन के लिए ऐसी पोस्ट डाली, यह हमारे लिए बहुत ही बड़ी बात है। दोस्तों, क्या ये फैक्ट आप जानते थे? नहीं जानते थे तो अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कर देना और वीडियो को लाइक कर देना। दोस्तों, मैं ऐसे ही दानी जैन से रिलेटेड फैक्ट्स लाता रहूंगा। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग।
back for the 2021 calendar shoot, and 5th time in a row we have Tiger. Welcome back to the 2021 calendar shoot.
Happy to be here, Dabu sir, and we're gonna shoot something special. Hope you guys like what's coming. Lots of love.
Like an astronaut, like an astronaut.
Cuckoo, it's a new toy.
Four, left arm comes up, guys. 3, 2, and 1. Hold it out straight. Left arm comes up, and then bring knee to elbow. Right underneath that belly button, nice and slow. One, 2, 3, and 4. Good.
Hey guys, what's up? I hope all of you are safe and sound at home. It is my favorite time of the season as the NBA playoffs are happening right now, and I'm really excited to catch all the action. This time the competition is crazy. Can't wait to watch all the games live on my favorite basketball companion, the NBA League Pass. The best part is you can access the app on your laptop, tablet, mobile, or even on your Android TV. How cool is that? The NBA League Pass is jam-packed and has some really awesome features like split screen, which allows me to watch multiple games live, and that way I can see all the awesome players like Kyrie, Kawhi, Devin Booker rock the hardwood at the same time. You can also set up game alerts, news notifications, and even watch full or condensed highlights to ensure that you never miss out on any of the action.
He turns, he shoots, yes!
Now that we're all staying at home and we're indoors a little more and have some extra time, I also watch classic matches, some awesome episodic NBA content on NBA TV. As the NBA League Pass gives me all the access to all of that too. It's super easy to get access to NBA League Pass. All you have to do is go on to www.watch.nba.com and you can purchase it there. NBA League Pass subscriptions are also available as an in-app purchase through the iTunes App Store, Google Play Store, on both mobile phones and tablets. So guys, what are you waiting for? Get NBA League Pass now and watch all the action from the conference and NBA finals.